I wanted you to pull to the right, that's all.
Okay, sounds good.
No, it's alright, we're here now, it's all set.
Okay.
Sorry
about
Just gotta wear your seatbelt the right way, okay?
Sorry about
You got your registration insurance?
Yes.
Alright, just hop out, Ted.
Is there a reason why?
Yeah, I want to talk to you outside of the car. Any weapons on you?
No weapons.
How's your license?
My license is good. I just got into an accident.
It's all active though?
Yeah, everything's active.
No warrants or anything
No,
like that? Okay. You ever been arrested?
Never been arrested.
Never in your life?
Never in my life.
Anything illegal in the car?
No, nothing illegal.
Okay. No firearms?
No firearms.
No cocaine? No large amounts of U.S. currency?
Just probably like $1,000 in total.
$1,000? Okay. So, obviously I have a job to do, alright? And I'm good at my job, alright? You're displaying a lot of things to me that make me very suspicious.
No, I totally understand.
Alright? So, this is kind of your last opportunity. If there's anything small in that car, honestly I don't care about small amounts of anything drugs.
I'm going to be completely honest with you, just a little bit of marijuana.
Yeah. Just leave them all right here for now.
You consider that?
Yeah. That could be anything. Could be fat coke. Oh my goodness gracious. This is insane.
Five, four?
Holy shit! They coming, keep coming, baby! That's what I don't know. Alright, did you get any back? Alright, you're under arrest, okay?
Anyway, you can lose me a little bit.
Yeah, I told you I'm gonna be cool with you as long as you're cool with me. And that's how handcuffs fit. They fit you perfectly. I can stick my finger in there. You're okay. Thank you.